Looking for an AI image generator that lets you create without writing complicated prompts? Google Whisk takes a different approach. You can use images as your prompts. Intro. Whisk is an experimental AI image generation tool from Google Labs. And instead of relying mainly on text prompts, you can upload images to define the subject, scene, and style, then combine them into a new image. So, is Whisk actually worth using in 2026? Let's take a quick look. How Whisk works. The main idea is simple. You provide images for the subject, background or scene, and visual style. Whisk analyzes those images and combines their key characteristics to generate something new. Behind the scenes, Google says Whisk uses Gemini's visual understanding to describe the uploaded images, then uses Imagine to generate the final result. This makes Whisk particularly useful for quickly experimenting with different visual concepts. What makes it good? The biggest advantage is simplicity. You do not need to spend a lot of time learning prompt engineering. You can simply find reference images, upload them, and start remixing. It's also great for brainstorming, concept art, characters, styles, and creative experiments where you want to generate lots of variations quickly. The downsides. But Whisk isn't designed to replace a professional image editor. Google itself describes it as tool for rapid visual exploration rather than pixel-perfect editing. And because Whisk captures the essence of your reference images rather than copying them exactly, details such as appearance, proportions, or other characteristics can sometimes change unexpectedly. Also, Google's AI image tools have been evolving quickly. In 2026, Google announced that Whisk's image generation capabilities are being integrated into Flow, giving users a broader workspace for generating and editing images and videos. Verdict. So, should you use Whisk? If you want a fast and easy way to experiment with AI images using visual references, Whisk is definitely worth trying. But if you need precise editing, maximum control, or a complete professional workflow, you will probably want a more advanced tool. Overall, Whisk is less about perfect images and more about turning visual ideas into new possibilities quickly. If you found this review useful and helpful, please consider like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to share this video to your friends, and see you in a new video.